In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Make.com for workflow. Think of Make.com as a way to turn repetitive steps into automatic, connected processes between your apps. Every workflow follows a simple pattern. A trigger starts things, a process shapes the data or applies logic, and an action completes the task. For example, a new order comes in, the data is processed, then a confirmation email is sent, and a record is saved. With that mindset, you'll design scenarios that are both dependable and easy to maintain. Start by defining your workflow goal. Don't skip this part. Write a single clear sentence that captures what success looks like. For instance, whenever I get a new lead, save it and notify me. This focus keeps your scenario simple, helps you choose the right modules, and prevents scope creep as you build. Next, create a scenario. Head to make.com and choose Create a New Scenario. You'll see a blank canvas where each module represents a step in your workflow. This visual layout makes it easy to understand how information moves from start to finish. Add your trigger, which is the event that kicks everything off. You can listen for a new email in Gmail, a new row in Google Sheets, or a webhook if you need real-time data from another system. Triggers define when your scenario should run, so choose the one that naturally matches your goal. Connect any necessary accounts and pick the exact mailbox, sheet, or endpoint you want to watch. Now add processing steps. This is where your logic lives. Use filters to decide whether the flow should continue, set variables to store temporary values or flags, and lean on text or JSON tools to clean and format data. For example, you might only continue if an email subject contains the word lead, then extract the sender's name and normalize the phone number format before moving on. Then add actions, which are the outcomes you want. Send an email via Gmail, add a row to Google Sheets, post a message to Slack, or call an API. You can include multiple actions so one trigger can update your sheet and notify your team at the same time. Map your data between steps. Drag fields from the trigger or earlier modules into the fields of your action modules. For instance, pass the captured name into the name column of your spreadsheet. Good mapping ensures everything lines up and eliminates mismatched or empty fields. Finally, test the workflow. Click Run once, trigger the event manually, and watch each module's output. If something looks off, adjust your filters, mappings, or formatting until the result is clean and predictable. Repeat the test until the entire flow works end to end.